I started my journey at HCLTech about 2 decades back as a fresher. And very early in my career, I got opportunity to work with some of the global Fortune 500 organizations in the world. In between, I did multiple programs with different customers. And then it was in the year 2015 that I was once again put to test. And this time, it was like a very lucrative offer was given to me. The offer was for me to drive a new service line for ERS. And this service line was not new just for ERS. It was new for the entire industry. It was on a very, very important and upcoming topic which was getting global attention. We have about 700 specialists in this service line, 20 plus global customers. And more than anything, it's a service line that is impacting millions and millions of lives. So my 20 years at HCLTech, I've always got, as I said, opportunities to choose from. I've got freedom to experiment. I've got freedom to follow my passion and a very warm ecosystem in which I can say that we kind of celebrate every day at work.